Hello, grade 9 students. Yes, we are here for your quiz contest. Yeah? Okay. So we have lots of audience rounds as well. So audience, you can participate too. We need another 5 minutes for the setting. Afifa and V. Alright. Can I have a big round of applause for them? That motivates, isn't it? Yes. Yes. And from Yellow House, I have Prince, Shrishti, Snow White, and Ayushka. Right? From Blue House, I have Samar, Afifa, Akshat, and Nancy. Great. Guys, enjoy this applause. You're not gonna get it again and again. They are very, क्या बोलते हैं उनको, कंजूस हैं for that thing. Umair and Fauzan. Great. Your very first round is your brain teaser round. Okay? I have in these few questions and I'll give you just 5 seconds to answer those questions. Okay? For each correct answer, you get 10 points. Alright? In case you do not able to answer that question, you would not get any negative points, but the next person the next team will get the chance to answer that question. And for that passing question, you'll get 5 points. If you're able to give the correct answer for the passing question, you get 5 points. Is that clear? Do you want me to? Is your question and you're able to answer that in 5 seconds, you'll get 10 points for the correct answer. There is no. The very first question of the very first round for the Red House. Red House, your question is, how many megabytes are there in 1 gigabyte? How many megabytes are there in 1 gigabyte?
One 1,024.
Oh, that's a correct answer. That's a correct answer. Keep sitting when you are answering, so you need not to stand. Okay? That's a correct answer. 10 points for Red House. So we have lots of rounds. What you can do is, you can just put a 10 here. And 1 nibble is equivalent to how many units of bits? That's a wrong answer. You get one more chance to answer, but 7 is a wrong answer. If you want, I can repeat the question to you. 1 nibble is equivalent to how many units of bits? Last chance for you. Is that what? We have 2 cells up there as well. The new cells. Okay, your time is up. So Yellow House gets a 0 point here. Beta, please, I want you to do it that way. Red, yellow, blue and green. Make it that way. Can Blue House answer that? Yes.
3.2.
No, that's a wrong answer as well. Green House, can you answer that? Quickly. No, that's a wrong answer. Red House, can you answer that? I need a mic.
Can you pardon me?
Yes, of course. That's the last time I'm repeating the question. 1 nibble is equivalent to how many units of bits? 1 nibble is equal to dash bits.
9.
That's a wrong answer. Anybody from the audience? Yes. I've got a correct answer. Who answered that? Oh my God. That's Anshika. That's the correct answer. Rajita, right here. A big round of applause for Anshika. She deserves a prize. She should definitely get one. Okay. So for Yellow House, that was a 0 marks question. Now this question is for the Blue House. When was the first census taken in Nepal? When was the first census taken in Nepal?
1911 AD.
That's a correct answer. Okay, now question for greenhouse. When was Nepal Rashtra Bank established? When was Nepal's Rashtra Bank established? Your time is up. Do you wish to try? Another try. It's not a correct answer, though you are very near to the answer. Your time is up. I'm moving to Red House in case they know the answer.
2010 BS.
2000?
10 BS.
That's a wrong answer.
1994.
That's a wrong answer. Last chance to the blue house in case you know the answer. Keep sitting. Keep sitting, guys. Yes.
1969 AD.
That's a wrong answer again. Anybody from the audience, do you know the answer?
2013.
Eh? You can see the answer. You haven't seen? Oh. That's correct.
2013.
She gets the answer correctly. 2013. It's 50. When is the World Health Day celebrated? May 1, wrong answer, that's the Labour's Day. No? Question for greenhouse. पहलो परमाणु बम कहिले खसेको थियो? पहलो परमाणु बम कहिले खसेको थियो? When was the first nuclear bomb was dropped? When was the first nuclear bomb dropped? Yeah, the time is up. Take it to the red team quickly, quickly. Red team, do you have the answer? Do you have the answer? Do you have the answer? 1947, though it's a half correct answer, I need a complete answer. It's
6 August 1947.
you are near, I'll give that to you, but it is 21st August 1940. No, that's the wrong answer. 1947 is the wrong answer. I'm sorry about that.
1945.
Wait, anybody from the audience? So 21st, what is the full form of IMR? IMR.
Infant mortality rate.
That's a correct answer, plus 10. Please remember the full form of STI. STI. The full form of STI.
Sexually transmitted IDA cancer.
Yes, yes, yes. Speak up, speak up, speak up.
Sexually transmitted infection.
That's sexually transmitted infection. That's a correct answer. Yes, Blue House. Get me the full form of NIBC. 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 It's related to your country. It's related to your country. Okay, greenhouse, do you have? Okay. Time is up. Yes, greenhouse, do you have the answer? At least try. NIBC. No answer, red house, do you have the answer? NIBC. NIBC. Anybody from the audience? Anybody from the audience?
Nepal Development Industrial Center.
Industrial.
Development Center.
NI, Nepal. I for industrial. D for development. What stands for C?
Center.
C sector. No, that's the wrong answer. Can you just stand up? Stand up and answer. The participants need not to stand, but the audience. Center. That's the wrong answer. Nepal Industrial Development Corporation. VIRU need to give me the full form of virus.
Zero.
All these questions are in your course because they have been given by your teachers to me. virus.
Answer.
Anybody? Anybody can answer? Anybody from here? Anybody from the audience?
Vital information cells under size.
Oh, that's the correct answer. Name the founder members of Google. Name the founder members of Google. Who are the founder members of Google? There are 2 founder members to Google. I just want you to name them. Anybody from any of the houses? Anybody? Yes, Bachcha.
Larry Page and Mark Wilson.
Larry Page is perfect. The next one is?
Mark Wilson.
Wrong answer. Larry Page is fine. The other one is wrong. Anybody? Anybody from the audience? So that's Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Time has started. Keep guessing. Keep guessing. Make something else. Make something else. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Don't run. That's for them. Guess more, more, more. Something like that. Island. No. Once 2 minutes is over, you have to send to me. Yes. Hold it.
Which angle?
Computer. Is it your chance? You're helping the other people. Laptop. That's a correct guess. Pakdo, pakdo, pakdo. ठीक ठीक Guys, can you see?
They won't
दूसरा मतलब बताऊं ना रेवोल्यूशन का जो एक और मतलब होता है रेवोल्यूशन रेवोल्यूशन मेक इट फास्ट
understand.
मेक इट फास्ट बीच वाले को ठीक से बनाओ Who said? Yes. That's the correct answer. For the correct answer, this is all. See, for this who am I questions, you have all your Nepal-based people. All right, that is like who am I. All right, this is particularly for your own country. Okay. Have you got the hint for this round? Okay, the first question is.
Right, right.
No, but we haven't started with the yellow team so far. So that is the first question for the yellow team. नेपाल को धर्म अनुसार सबे खंडा पुरानो वेद कुन हो नेपाल को धर्म अनुसार सबे खंडा पुरानो वेद कुन हो ऋग्वेद is the correct answer. Plus 10 here. Next question for Blue House. नेपाल का हाल का प्रधानमंत्री कौन है? नेपाल का हाल का प्रधानमंत्री कौन है? सुशीला गांधी is the correct answer. हाल नेपाल का राष्ट्रपति का नाम भन्नुहोस्. हाल नेपाल का राष्ट्रपति का नाम भन्नुहोस्. That's a correct answer. Plus 10 for them as well. नेपाल का मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त कौन है? नेपाल का मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त कौन है? He is a person again. I have one more option for you. नेपाल को संविधान दिवस कहिले मनाइन्छ? नेपाल को संविधान दिवस कहिले मनाइन्छ? Out of two you can answer any one. First question is नेपाल को संविधान दिवस कहिले मनाइन्छ? नेपाल को मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त कौन हो?
नेपाल का संविधान असोज 2 गते
असोज? चलो ठीक है गुड आंसर. All right, plus 10 for them. Wrong answer. It's 3 गते. असोज 3 गते. नेपाल को राष्ट्रगान का रचनाकार को नाम भन्नुहोस्. नेपाल को राष्ट्रगान का रचनाकार को नाम भन्नुहोस्.
What is the question? Question क्या?
नहीं, no. No, it's a wrong answer. I have the correct answer in my hand. That's a wrong answer. Anybody? नेपाल को राष्ट्रगान को रचनाकार को नाम भन्नुहोस्.
Sir.
Sir. Pradeep Kumar Rai. That's a wrong answer. Sir, she has given a wrong answer. You still have the chance. Anybody from the participants?
Sir. Sir. Very one. Most continue.
That will guide us. All right. The joke is over. Blue House.
Blue house.
नेपालમાં હાલ કુન શાસન પ્રણાલી વિદ્યમાન છે?
मिश्रित
हाँ?
मिश्रित
नहीं.
लोकतंत्र
पूरा बोलिए.
संघीय गणतंत्रात्मक
लोक. You have to name it correctly. संघीय.
गणतंत्रात्मक संविधान.
I'll give you, but it is संघीय लोकतांत्रिक गणतंत्र. All right, that's fine. Plus 10. All right, your question is, what is AI called in Nepali? What is AI called in Nepali? Breathing Gaudikta. हाँ, correct answer. Right now, last one for you. नेपाल में हाल प्रक्षेपण गरेको उपग्रहको नाम के हो? All right, I translated in English. Nepal has recently launched a satellite. All right, until recently launched a satellite. Can you name that satellite? Nepal has launched a recent satellite. Kindly name that satellite. Yellow House, can you name that satellite? Blue House, can you name the satellite? Green House, can you name the satellite?
Audience.
Anybody from the audience, can you name the satellite? Alright, the mic is right there.
नेपाल से fast.
Nepal,
Set fast.
set fast. He has got the correct answer. Board is ready. Wow, that's the audience. smart students could have participated because giving the chance to anyone from the audience, I don't know how well they have done. But I have got the best performers, the best participants here so far. So we hope you all have enjoyed this grade 9 quiz challenge. Yes? Alright, we keep on managing such kind of things, organizing such kind of things for you all in future as well. For the final score, we have the second runner-up. Of course, you can all see on the board, but still, that's my duty. The second runner-up is the Red House with 465 points. What does second runner-up means? What does second runner-up means? The second runner-up means someone who has stood third. Second runner-up. Now I go for the first runner-up. The first runner-up is the Greenhouse with 475 points. And the winner is your Blue House. Don't take the advantage. You have just 20 points ahead from the third runner-up, but still it's a good fight. So the first stands is the Blue House. All of you have done a great job because I just don't see more than 20
Hey, close up.
points difference between the runner-ups and all. Alright, thank you everyone. I would like to ask the teachers, was the entire quiz worth
Hey,
it?
close up, close up.
Sir, please, we would like to have some feedback from you too. Was the quiz worth it or oh my God, he has been he is the one who has been what does it mean? Now, seriously, it's an object. It's an object. Girls, guess.
Nirmal, excuse me. Nirmal.
सर एक ही और बच्चा ऐसा छोड़ दीजिए बच्चे पकड़ कर ही करिए Balmukan, where's the time? Mirror. Kind of move ahead. It's a kind of, it's not mirror. Kind of.
Reflection. Hey, what did you say?
No. Mirror and reflection. Come on, try to get something with it. Mirror, reflection. Try to get something with it. हाँ. More of that. You are quite near. Time up.
Telescope.
No.
Magnify plus.
That's a correct answer. Everyone, maintain the silence in the hall, please. One thing, have you started the timings? Yes? Yes. Wrong answer. That's what I rate you. You can make it in a better way.
I understood.
Make it in a better way.
I think I understood.
Some other drawing, please. Why do you need? You get 2 minutes Bangukul is taking care. Meanwhile, I come to the audience for you to ask the questions. What was the first SMS being sent by a mobile phone? What was the first? First tell me which country? Hello? No, that's a wrong answer. First tell me this question: which country invented mobile phone? Which country invented mobile phone? Any idea? Anybody? Yes, that's the correct answer. US. Who said that? Oh, that's a great job. That's the correct answer. That is name. Show her your face so that she will write your name. खड़े हो जाओ यार. Alright. Now, what was the first SMS that was being sent by that mobile phone?
Hi.
Alright. Wait. Take the sheets from them. Take the sheets from them. Okay, guys. Your 2 minutes is up. Can you just answer this question? What was the first message that might have been sent by that mobile phone from a US company to another US company?
Hi.
Anybody? Please maintain the silence here. If you are submitting your answers, what is the point of discussion? Anybody?
Hi.
Now, you know the answer? Somebody know the answer? No? Anybody? The mystery of room 4747. Riya was the kind of a girl who noticed patterns in everything. On one rainy Monday morning, she reached school at exactly 7:32 a.m. Nearly 12 minutes earlier than usual. Her friends teased her, saying she must have slept only 5 hours. But Riya wasn't early by accident. She had a mission. For the past 3 weeks, strange things had been happening in block number 4 of the school building. Lights flickered exactly 14 times. The old clock stopped at 9:11, and someone kept leaving chalk pieces. Crack the next number. Your time starts now. One more time started. That's a correct answer by the red house. Yellow house. Your series is 1, 8, 27, 64. Get the next number for me. Time already started. One.
125.
That's a correct answer. 125 is the correct answer. Plus 10. All the teams are getting plus 10 here. Now, this is for the blue house. Alright? A, B, H, A, B, A, B, H, M. Crack the next number.
Yeah.
The teachers are right.
Q.
Your answer is few. That's a wrong answer. Time is up. 6, 70. 70. For 28, 42, 56, 70. Time up. Greenhouse, time up. Can anybody answer this?
84.
84 is the correct answer. Though you are not getting points for this, but it is the correct answer. I'll show the image to everyone else. Let them have that book first.
Larry open this one
Alright, guys. Okay, 30 seconds. 10 more seconds. Done?
Done.
Alright. So I have how many players wearing black jersey is visible in the image?
3.
That's a correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. What color is the basketball? What is the color of the basketball?
Orange.
That's correct. Show me. What sport is being played in the picture?
Basketball.
That's correct. How many players are usually there in each team? In a basketball play game, how many players are usually there in each team? In each team, what is the usual thing? How many players are usually there in a basketball game? In each team?
11.
That's a wrong answer. You can try one more time quickly.
7.
7 is a wrong answer. That's a wrong answer. Is the hoop, the basketball hoop, located on the right side or the left side of the image?
Right side.
Right side. That's a correct answer. What number is being printed at the back of the white jersey worn by the jumping player?
7.
7. That's a correct number. How many players are seen to be defending the player of the white jersey? The white jersey? 3 players, that's correct. What is the color of the socks of the players wearing black jersey? Color of the socks of the players wearing black jersey.
Orange.
That's correct. तुम भी तो बोल सकते हो. You can speak on the mic. Yes, of course you can speak on the mic. That's a correct answer. That's true. What brand logo is printed on the basketball? What was the brand of the basketball? Brand of the basketball. No? Huh? Nike. No, that's wrong answer. Another try? No. So you are not getting it. What does the scoreboard in the top right corner show? What was the score at the top right corner? No, there was a score. There was a score written on the blackboard up there.
8:18.
That's the time. 8:18 is the time. The score. Yes. 1:14 was the score. Very nice. Your time starts now. Have 30 seconds. number the vehicle.
1.
That's correct. One vehicle has the headlight on. Is the road empty or crowded?
Empty.
Empty road. How many cars are visible in the picture?
4.
4 cars. Correct answer. What color is the car in the center of the image? The color of the car in the center of the image. That's a correct answer. Which person appears to be touching the car? Which person appeared to be touching the car?
Someone in white t-shirt.
That's a wrong answer. Wait. One more try.
Wearing spectacles.
Alright, that's a correct answer. Chalo. I'll give you this. How many people are standing close to the cars versus walking away? How many people were standing closer to the car?
Helicopter.
Yes. Alright guys, there is no surprise. I know everyone can see the whiteboard from there. Your final scoreboard is ready. Wow, that's the audience. Now I can see the excitement among the audience. Please, I would really appreciate all the participants. Again, audience, let's have a big round of applause for all the participants. None other than these smart students could have participated, because giving the chance to anyone from the audience, I don't know how well they have done. But I have got the best performers, the best participants here so far. So we hope you all have enjoyed this grade 9 quiz challenge. Yes? Alright, we keep on managing such kind of things, organizing such kind of things for you all in future as well. For the final score, we have the second runner-up. Of course, we can all see on the board, but still, that's my duty. The second runner-up is the Red House with 465 points. What does second runner-up means? What does second runner-up means? The second runner-up means someone who has stood third. Second runner-up. Now I go for the first runner-up. The first runner-up is the greenhouse with 475